Hey friends, it's Coach Tara and I'm here with ZenKahuna and we're doing some double ball staff. And this is a great move to open up the front of the body and then to work the legs in a squat. So let's take a look at it.
So what you just saw is that you take your double ball staff, you do a straight leg arching back. Now when you arch back, don't let your neck break back like this. Keep it extended. So that's your inhalation. Then as you exhale, you're going to keep yourself in a flat back as you sit back with a hip hinge and squat down and touch this somewhere towards the shin or towards the ankle. Anywhere between the knee and the ankle is fine. And you go down as far as you go in your squat. Doesn't really make any difference. Squat at different levels, that's great too. Main thing is, remember, you're the guru. Do what's working right for you right now. Make it fun.